Hi, today I'm gonna make Castile soap. So to my pre-measured olive oil, I am adding the lye solution and I'm gonna blend to a thick trace. The reason I'm going for a thicker trace is because I really hope this will help me unmold faster. And yeah, it takes more time to reach the thick trace, so I'm gonna keep on blending. You can find more information in the description below, as in the recipe, everything I have added. I am adding the essential oil blend that has been pre-mixed with Kaolin White Clay. This I'm hoping to anchor it and mix. This is not thick enough, and I think I want it much thicker than this. Yeah, so I'm gonna blend it a bit more until I get the consistency I want. This is the first time in 2 years, almost 2 years of soap making, when I'm making a Castile soap. I am pretty excited about this, so I can't wait to see how it's gonna look and feel, even though it's gonna take so much time to cure. I figured it was time to do it. It takes so much time to get it thicker. I even speeded up a bit the video, but I guess this is the right consistency for me. It feels okay. So I'm just pouring it to my mold. Nothing fancy, just plain old Castile soap. I couldn't help myself, so that's why I had to scent it, but I didn't want to color it, and I didn't want to do a design necessarily. Tap, tap, tap. Cleaning around the edges a bit. And using a small teaspoon, I am trying to make a design. I have not tried this design before, and I saw it on Instagram and I just wanted to do it. I usually do one direction only, but I think it looks pretty interesting like this. The thing is, sometimes I overdo the design. I just wanted something a bit more simple but still beautiful. So I'm gonna add some flowers on top. Okay, so I have mixed some jasmine dried buds with cornflower petals, some lavender buds, and I have made for myself dried lime zest. It's not green anymore, it's greenish yellow, but I think it looks pretty good like this. And I wanted some contrasting, so the blue cornflower petals are gonna look very nice with the jasmine flowers. Okay, finishing this up. I am spritzing 99% isopropyl alcohol. I always use it because it helps with the ash on top. Yes, I am a perfectionist, I can't help it. Sometimes I ruin designs because I'm not careful enough and I am trying too much to fix things and I overdo it. Yeah. Trying to fix a little bit here. So this is it. I think it looks super nice. I really like it. Here, after 2 days, I unmolded it, and this is after 3 days. So I left it entire as a loaf to dry for 1 more day, and it's not too sticky, but it's a bit sticky. And this is how it looks. I really like it. It's simple. I don't really do simple soaps. I don't know why. I am more of a design person. I like it. I think it's pretty nice. I will try some stamps on these soap bars. I recently purchased some stamps, and the latest soap recipes that I have made are getting too hard for stamps. For instance, the 100% coconut oil or the ones with a high amount of coconut oil, they are too hard to stamp on them. And I think this will look pretty good with stamps. Sorry for the luminosity, the sun keeps interfering, and there is not much I can do about this. I'm not a perfectionist editor, but sorry if it's bothering to the eyes, the light. It smells very nice. Check out the description below and you can see the essential oils I have used in the blend. It smells amazing. It's very minty and citrusy, and I hope it's gonna stay like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.